Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start in the Steam client, sign in and go straight to Friends and chat, don't detour. Once the panel opens, click the gear icon to access Manage Friend Settings and confirm Steam Guard is active because friend codes require a secured account. Make sure you're on desktop. Friend code visibility isn't available in all mobile screens. Once done, open your profile from the Friends window so the next step can locate the actual friend code and connection options. On your profile page, choose Edit Profile or hit the More drop-down, then navigate to the Friends or Privacy area where Steam stores your friend code. You'll see a 17-digit code or a Share button, copy the digits, or use Share to create a friend invite link. Why this matters? The code uniquely maps to your Steam account, avoiding mistyped usernames. Once copied, paste it into chat or a message. Make sure the recipient uses Add Friend code to send the request. Paste the friend code into Add Friend, press Send, and wait for the recipient to accept. Simple. If the request doesn't arrive, verify both of you have friends list visibility enabled and Steam Guard turned on. Otherwise, the system can block the flow. If problems persist, restart the client, clear the web cache, or resend the share link. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle your profile privacy to friends only briefly, then back to public. To refresh permissions, enforce the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.